Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for another plan with me in my HOBONICHI cousin that I'm filming very late. It is 7:53 p.m. on Monday night that I'm filming this, and this normally comes out 7 a.m. on Tuesday. So I'm a little late on this one. It's been a busy weekend, but anyway. And I also have ink all over my fingers because I was inking pens today, so apologies for that ahead of time. But what I will be decorating with is are stickers from a company I haven't used actually in a while, but that's because the stickers that I have are more fall based. They are stickers from Let's Plan It. So this is the Greta collection. These are the supplemental sheet, sticker sheet, and then the deco one, which are really, really cute. Let's get started. Okay, I feel like it's almost a warning to you guys that I'm like, these plan with me's, I am talking to you, but I'm also talking to myself. To anybody else who just walks in here and sees me talking, and knowing that this is like therapy for me, kind of talking things out. Anyway, it's been a busy weekend. Really, it's when is it not busy, right? When is it not busy? I'm getting ready for new releases that are coming up. I've also been sick, so I feel like the last month has been crazy. I was doing 30 inks, 30 days. So, you know, I say resolve or just time to get things done hasn't always been managed as best as I could do. But anyway, so I need to save 7 stickers for my daily spreads. So I'll be using, let's just say these 3. And then these I could also use throughout. So let's start with this one. Is that upside down? I cannot tell. So let's put that here. Do I want to put that here? I guess not. I'll put this actually here, because how cute is that? And then I'll probably put one of those in the corner here. This washi that I use pretty much every spread right now is from the Washi Tape Shop, and I love it because it's neutral and still adds a little something to the spread without taking away from the stickers that you're using. Let's add a little something. And this weekend coming up, so the 7th and 8th are Thanksgiving weekend in Canada. Yay. Which one do I want to use? I feel like these were printed upside down. Yeah, so it's Thanksgiving weekend in Canada, which I am excited for. Am I using these here? I don't know. Do I want to use those there? You can tell I'm a little, I don't know if you can tell, but I am a little bit all over the place today. I feel a little, I don't know, just like I'm trying to catch up on stuff, and I'm having difficulty catching up. And, you know, that could be completely because of the pressures that I put myself under. So, completely self-inflicted. I want to save that for something. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, just I feel like there's always something, right? I actually don't mind if I cover the calendar. Oops, if I don't rip it first. And then lastly, I'm going to put this. I feel like it should go that way. I can't tell. Put this here with this, and then will it work with that, or is that too much? Oh, that's cute. Yep, perfect. So the remaining stickers from the deco sheet will go with my daily spread. And then these we'll see where they will fit. But yeah, it's just been busy. And I keep saying that, but that's life. And I think it's just a matter of how I manage that. Okay, so what am I going to use? I have my Just Turnings pen, which has Birmingham Pen Co. Fox Squirrel. I thought I would give this ink another try, but I also have, I'm looking at my currently inked here. Would that pink work? Spadina Rose, no. Ancient Copper is too red. Birmingham Pen Co. Heron isn't too bad, but Fox Squirrel looks like it might be the one that works, or even Diamine Earl Grey. I feel like that dark teal might work. Okay. So I've got the Birmingham Pen Co. Heron in my Lamy 2000, and there's just still purple ink from somewhere. Let's just wipe that off. Okay, so I'm first going to write down the word meal. No, I'm not. I'm going to write sleep. Because we're going to keep track of my sleep score. And I get all of this data from my Fitbit app, where I'm aiming to get anywhere, like my goal is 6.5 hours of sleep and to get a sleep score of over 80. Whether or not that I can accomplish that is another story. And then work out. Now I have to be transparent here. I haven't done weight training workout in a couple of months. I feel like, when was the last time? Probably, I don't know, there's some in August. Probably before, yeah, August. So a couple months from now. Been traveling, been sick. So I'm hoping that not this Friday, maybe a few weeks from now, I'll be able to start up again. And then I'm going to write the word meals down at the bottom. Not saying that I'm not working out. I have my indoor mini stepper, which I love. So it's a good little cardio workout. Also a little bit of strength training for the legs. But I love just getting on my mini stepper and catch up on all the YouTube videos. Perfect. I think that's a gorgeous color for this spread. Okay. Then I'm going to write out my work shifts. So, oh, that is actually a really pretty color for this spread work. I'm going to alternate it as well, so that I can use both of these pens throughout the week. Oh, I'm excited. And then Tuesday and Thursday will be this pen. I'm afraid of getting ink. Work. So for those who aren't familiar, I work 4 10-hour days, and then I get Friday off, which I'm very thankful for. It's nice to have that extra day off to myself. And at first, I remember when I first started the 4-day work week back in February, I'm like, I'm gonna be so good about cleaning and everything. And I'm like, nope, not today. I really use that time for, like, for example, this Friday, I have a manicure. And then at 11:40, I have a massage. And then by the time I get home, I will be doing some filming. Now, trying to remember what I have to film here. I will have to film my currently inked. And there will be new pen days. There are 2 that I will need to film. And then I will be taking the kids for bubble tea. Oops. Okay. Then Saturday, gosh, look at my fingers already. Saturday, do I have plans on Saturday? Oh my goodness, let me check. The main thing happening on Saturday, and I have to get the stickers for this, is Thanksgiving dinner. My sister is the one who hosts Thanksgiving every year, so we're having Thanksgiving on Saturday night. There we go. So the family eating. And I will also probably be, so we're getting there for 4. And Thanksgiving. I'm wondering if I should just fold the laundry on Friday night and get that over and done with, so that the rest of the weekend I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna use these laundry stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. for folding laundry. Oh, I can hear my husband and kids. They came home from taking Lucy on a walk. So fold laundry. And I actually don't know if Henry has Ninja that day, so I'm gonna leave that blank for now. And then in terms of cleaning, we're actually not cleaning this weekend because we have the cleaner coming later on that week. So is there anything else I need to add in here? I don't think so. Oh, you know what I forgot? The basic things like my to-do list here of meal planning and order groceries. And then Tuesday night we put out the garbage bins. And then on Thursday, my husband picks up the groceries. How did I forget that? Okay, let's find stickers for all of those. So I'm trying to use up the stickers that I have. All right, ooh, so these cute ones are from Paper Bits Co., who's a Canadian shop, or is a Canadian shop. Then pick up groceries. Oh, there. So let's get this cute little bag. I love the emojis from Helen of Coffee Monsters Co. They're just, I feel like they're too big for what I want them for. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that for now. The weekend is pretty open, but I imagine that Sunday and a little bit of Saturday before the lead up to the dinner, I'll be working on orders because new releases actually come out on this day. So maybe, do I need to do any more decorating? I don't think so. I think it's pretty good. And I mean, there's lots of stickers left, which I will use in my daily spread. So I don't think there's anything else I need to add. I like it the way that it is. And I really like the color of the pen. All right, so let's just leave it. Very nice, quick plan with me, which I needed. And this was relaxing, actually. I needed to do this. So thank you guys for listening to me ramble on as I put stickers down with my messy, inky fingers. And that is it for me. So this again is the Greta kit from Let's Planet, who is also a Canadian shop. She's actually in the same province as I am. She's about a 3-hour drive away from me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm just looking at this and I'm like, I'm realizing that the washi is from the Washi Tape Shop, which is Canadian. The icons are from the Coffee Monsters Co. and Paper Bits Co., which are Canadian. Cool. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.